Hey guys, here we are at Little Miracles Rutherford, and today the Mighty Meteors are doing a science experiment for their Discovery project. Say hello, everybody! Hello! Okay, so let's get into it. What are we going to do, guys? What's it doing, guys? What can we see? Oh, wow. So the Mighty Meteors each have a plate of bicarb soda. Inside the droppers is some water and food colouring. And the children are experimenting with what happens when the dropper of water and vinegar hits the food colouring. Oh wow, what's happening there? It's all bubbling, is it?
Whoa, look at Ava!
It's green. Drop some in there, Abigail. You can spot colours. So, how about we mix them? What colour do you think will go?
What happens if you try a different colour?
Cooper, how about you try yellow and see what it does? Ready? What?
What happened to when you put the yellow in there, Cooper? It went orange. What about you over here, guys? What happens when the colours touch? Well done, guys. As you can see, the Mighty Meteors have really enjoyed exploring with the colours when they mix in the bicarb soda on the plate. Thank you. Have a great day.